Very beautiful traditional Meenakari Baluchuri sarees collection from Bengal. Sari number 1, very beautiful blue and green dual tone color. Look at the beautiful pallu of the sari. Very beautiful Meenakari work is done all over the pallu, and the beautiful motifs of the sari are also having Meenakari work. Just look at the beautiful border and the motifs of the sari. Coming to sari number 2, very beautiful sweet color of the sari. Look at the beautiful motifs all over the body and the beautiful border of the sari. Now I'll show you the beautiful pallu portion. Just look at the lovely pallu, historical works depicted in the pallu portion. Meenakari work is very beautiful all over the pallu. Look at the beautiful figurines depicted in the pallu portion. All these saris are silk mark certified, and you will be getting blouse piece running with the sari. Coming to sari number 3, very beautiful mustard color. Look at the beautiful motifs all over the body of the sari. This one is the bordered portion. Now I will show you the beautiful pallu portion of this Meenakari Baluchuri sari. These saris are an asset in your wardrobe, so every woman must have this Meenakari Baluchuri sari in her collection. The beautifully hand-woven pallu portion of any Baluchuri and Swarnachuri silk sarees is what it makes these sarees look very beautiful and gorgeous, and these sarees are an asset in your wardrobe. They are different from any other type of sarees in India. Coming to the next sari, sari number 3, lovely black and golden color. Look at the beautiful border and all over the motifs of the sari. Now I will show you the lovely pallu portion. The combination of black with golden is really very beautiful. Historical works are depicted all over the body of the sari. Just look at the lovely pallu of the sari. All these saris are having blouse piece running with the sari, and all these are silk mark certified. Coming to sari number 4, very beautiful color. Just look at the beautiful motifs all over the sari, and this one is the border portion. Now I will show you the beautiful pallu of this sari. Historical works are depicted on the pallu portion. I will show you closer. Look at the beautiful figurines, historical figurines depicted all over the pallu. All the Baluchuri sarees are having hand woven resham work in the pallu portion, in the border, and the all over the motif portion of the body. Now showing you sari number 5. Beautiful red color sari. Look at the beautiful motifs all over the sari, and this one is the border portion. People are traveling in boat, that is depicted in the border portion. This is very unique in Baluchuri. Look at the lovely pallu portion. I'll show you closer. Look at the beautiful figurines. Women are depicted in the pallu portion. Historical works are depicted here. Look at the Meenakari work done. All these Meenakari works are done by highly skilled Baluchuri and Swarnachuri craftsmen from Bengal. The sari looks very beautiful and very unique from any other sari. Coming to sari number 6, very beautiful red color again. This one is having very beautiful motifs all over the sari. This one is orangish type of red color. Look at the beautiful border of the sari. Now I will show you the beautiful pallu portion. Just look at the beautiful pallu, the golden color. The golden pallu with the red combination. This one is very beautiful, and it will suit for any newlywed bride. Just look at the historical works that are depicted in the pallu portion. If you all love these saris and want to book one for yourself, just take a screenshot of the sari and send it to our booking number shown on the screen, 9163407567. Coming to the next sari is a very beautiful deep pink color. Look at the beautiful border portion and all over motifs of the sari. Now I will show you the beautiful pallu of this sari. The sari is having very beautiful deep pink purplish color. Look at the beautiful motifs that are depicted in the pallu portion of this Meenakari Baluchuri sari. Beautiful Meenakari work is there. The sari looks awesome and the color is very beautiful. This sari also has a blouse piece running with the sari. Coming to the next sari, very beautiful greenish color. Look at the beautiful sober color of the sari. Beautiful motifs and beautiful border of the sari. The color of this sari is very sober, and look at the beautiful pallu portion of the sari. Again, historical works depicted on the pallu portion. Beautiful figurines are depicted. Just look at the sober color of the sari. and its combination with golden work and the meenakari work just makes this saree look very beautiful and very different from other sarees. This saree also has a blouse piece running with the saree. Coming to the next saree, again very beautiful and different color. Look at the beautiful motifs and the beautiful border of the saree. I will show you the pallu portion. This one is the pallu portion of the saree. Again historical works depicted. As you can see, very beautiful Meena work is done by skilled Baluchari craftsmen. Look at the work done. It just shows the beauty of a Baluchari saree. All these Baluchari sarees are very gorgeous, and these sarees are a pride of Bengal. Coming to the last saree in today's video is a green color, deep green color. Look at the beautiful motifs and the border portion of the saree. Now I will show you the pallu portion. Look at the beautiful pallu of the saree. If you wish to book any one of this saree, just take the screenshot of the saree and send it to our booking number shown on the screen, that is 9163407567. If you like this video, please press the like button. Please share this video with your friends and family. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification for instant updates. Thank you all for watching this video till the end.